The Crow and the Nightingale. It was summertime. The sky was blue and the air was filled with the scent of meadow flowers. Deep in a green log forest, a family of crows was making a husky noise. Quack, quack, quack. All the birds in the woods were irritated by this harsh noise. But the crow family thought themselves to be the best singers and they called on top of their voice. One day, the youngest crow of the crow family perched on a shady tree under which two young boys were sitting. One of them said, "Friend, have you heard a nightingale sing? She's the queen of melodies of the woods, a symbol of good fortune and harmony." The young crow, who could not bear the praise of the nightingale, flew to the eagle and said, "We are black, we are ugly, our voice is harsh. It is a curse on our fate. The nightingale is queen of melodies. I can't bear this insult." The eagle fixed his sharp golden eyes upon the annoyed young crow and said, "Calm down. You may go back to your family and say I have named you the king of melodies of the woods, if you like." The young crow flew away and boasted, "I'm proud of my fate. I'm the king of melodies. All the birds and animals in the woods who have heard the crow boasting laughed at him." Deeply offended, the crow once again flew to the eagle and complained bitterly. The eagle calmly answered, "I have certainly given you the name of the king of melodies as per your request, but to call you so is one thing, to make you one is another. Self-praise is no recommendation." If you like this story, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.